Hello my dear students and friends, welcome back. It is the video for you, and here I just want to let you know how you can start learning English. So first of all, here I want to tell you about Michael Jordan and Thomas Edison. You know these names. These names are very famous names in the field of sports and science and inventor. They got that level. How actually we know that they were very famous in sport and science, but how they got that level of or top level of their field, sports and science. Actually in the beginning, we know Michael Jordan for his achievement, as he was a very good athlete of his time, and he got that level. How he got that level, that I am going to tell you. You see, in the beginning he was failure, and he failed over and over and over again, but he never gave up. He didn't lose his hopes, and he kept trying, and that was the key to success. And then he got that level, that high level of his achievement in sports. Similarly, Thomas Edison, actually he invented bulbs, and he used different types of material to make the filament of that bulb, but he was failure many times. But similarly, the same story is here, but he never gave up. He tried. He didn't actually focus on his mistakes. He kept trying. He focused on his success only. He wanted to make a bulb, and then finally, after he got success, but his success was followed by many failures. So similarly, as Michael Jordan and Thomas Edison, they actually are the best teachers for us to learn something from them. If you are going to learn English, or if we want to learn English, or anybody who wants to learn English, he or she should not focus on mistakes. Definitely we'll commit mistakes when we learn something, but our target is to focus on our work, and consistency should be there. As I told you in my previous video about listening, similarly you have to focus on speaking. Now we are talking about speaking, so at least you must have 10 minutes for you every day to speak something with someone on different topics, and you should have conversation or whatever it is. So first, this is the thing that you have to be active in speaking, and after that you can try to develop your fluency. This is fluency booster. After that we have to focus on our fluency. So you should have someone with you. He or she may be your friend, your teacher, or whoever he or she may be. But if you start talking, having conversation or chatting in English, it's good for you. And after that we just focus. If you are asked a question, you should answer it spontaneously without thinking much. Or what actually the student do, when they start thinking in their own mother tongue first, and then they translate it into English. That is not allowed here. If you really want to be fluent, and if you want to be a natural speaker in English, so you should do that. And thanks for watching that video. And if you think you want to contact me to develop your fluency, or to have conversation, to learn English, I have already given my email ID and Skype ID here in that video and below that video, so you may contact me. Subscribe to my channel to watch my new videos. Thank you.